Bloomberg Audio Studios. Podcasts, radio, news.
The Stock Movers Report, your roundup of companies making moves in the stock market, harnessing the power of Bloomberg data.
Let's take a look at some of the stocks on the move today. We can do that with Bloomberg's Tatiana Darie. Tatiana, what are you looking at?
Well, let me start with some good news because there are pockets of screen on the screen, even in this ugly open. Marvell Technology is one stock moving to the upside, up 16% after delivering a bullish sales outlook, saying that data center demand was growing even faster than anticipated. California-based company now expects fiscal 2027 revenue to grow to $11 billion. That compares to previous estimates for about $10 billion. This comes as the cloud computing operators are boosting their capital spending, something we know very well. But Marvell is a major player in the market for application-specific circuit chips, which is our ASICs, which are the custom chips that compete with NVIDIA. So there's still pockets of green in this AI trade.
Yeah,
absolutely.
Very interesting. Yeah. All right, well, not pockets of green. Let's talk about your next stop. Gap, what's going on there?
Yeah, not pockets of green when it comes to the consumer. Gap shares falling 13% after reporting fourth quarter sales and profit that came in below expectations as two chains underperformed. Old Navy, the company's biggest brand, and Athleta, its smallest, both missed comparable sales estimates. Results show that its turnaround remains uneven as plans to revitalize Athleta are still taking time. But this is overshadowing actually a better than expected profit for the full year and sales range in line with estimates. So it appears that jitters are really concentrated for this brand, and analysts calling it relatively bland in the world of Lululemon and other brands. I don't know, maybe you guys would disagree there.
I don't think either of us are Lululemon people, right, Paul?
No. But everybody else says, like, Alex Steele Scarlett will say, like Lululemon, but pricey. And I can probably get something similar for less. That's kind of the feedback I've gotten.
And apparently their last line of leggings is see-through, so that's not good.
Oh, interesting. Yeah. Okay, that could be a strategy. Blue Owl,
the private credit firm under pressure again today, down 6% after Bloomberg reported that it has nearly $48 million exposure to the collapsed UK lender Century Capital Partners. Sources tell Bloomberg that Blue Owl funded the riskiest tranche of loans there originated by Century, a lender that is focused on high-end central London real estate. And the company entered administration, which is really a fancy term to describe insolvency process in the UK, days after a larger rival market Financial Solutions fell into a UK form of insolvency. So I picked this stock because private credit is such a big worry right now. And here we are, the dominoes keep falling in this space.
The Stock Movers Report from Bloomberg Radio. Check back with us throughout the day for the latest roundup of companies making news on Wall Street. And for the latest market-moving headlines, listen to Bloomberg Radio live. Catch us on YouTube, Bloomberg.com, and on Apple CarPlay and Android Auto with the Bloomberg Business app.